Day 32. I'm recording for Saturday 15th of November 2025. Let's start with general knowledge speech. Topic: India's bullet train project. Speeding into the future. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh. Today I'm going to speak about one of the most ambitious infrastructure projects in India, the bullet train, a step that will transform the way India travels and connects. The bullet train, officially known as the Mumbai Highway High Speed Rail (MAHSR) project, is India's first ever high speed train corridor. It aims to connect two major cities, Mumbai in Maharashtra and Ahmedabad in Gujarat, with trains running at speed of up to 320 kilometers per hour. Once completed, the journey between Mumbai and Ahmedabad, which currently takes around 6 to 7 hours, will only take 2 to 3 hours. This project represents India's move towards world-class infrastructure, combining technology, efficiency, and speed. The foundation stone for the project was laid on September 14, 2017 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, marking a historic collaboration between India and Japan. India is providing both financial and technical assistance under the Make in India and Skill India initiatives, helping train Indian engineers and workers in advanced railway technology. The project uses Japanese Shinkansen technology, which is also globally for its safety, which is also known globally for its safety, comfort, and punctuality. These trains are earthquake resistant and designed for smooth, quiet travel, setting a new standard for passenger experience in India. The route will cover around 508 kilometers with 12 stations across both states. Some key stations include Surat, Vadodara, Anand, Sabarmati, and Thane. Part of the route will even run under the sea. A 7-kilometer tunnel near Mumbai, the first of its kind in India. Apart from faster travel, this project will bring massive benefits. It will boost employment, creating thousands of jobs during construction. It will encourage technology transfer and skill development. It will also promote eco-friendly travel as the trains are powered by electricity and produce far less pollution compared to cars or planes. However, like every big project, it faces challenges too. Land acquisition, environmental clearances, and high costs have caused some delays. Yet, once completed, it will become a symbol of modern India, efficient, fast, and forward thinking. The bullet train will not just connect two cities, it will connect dreams with opportunities, people with progress, and India with future. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, this project is a shining example of the strong bond between India and Japan and a glimpse into the India of tomorrow. So, my message today is development takes time, but with vision and teamwork, India can and will achieve world class excellence. That bullet train is not just about speed, it's about progress, innovation, and pride. Thank you so much.